the connections between what is happening here and what is simultaneously unfolding in 3 or 4 other arenas, the picture demands serious and immediate attention. The figures surrounding complete engine rebuild on a 1967 Mustang Hammer-On Ranch are being selectively presented in a way that serves a very specific narrative. When you go directly to primary sources, the actual reports, raw data, statements made before they were filtered through communications teams, what you find is dramatically different from what the public has been given. The cherry picking is not subtle once you know to look for it. Entire data series are being truncated at convenient points. Percentages are presented without the base numbers that would change their meaning entirely, and the most significant findings are consistently buried in appendices that journalists rarely read and audiences almost never see. Every story about complete engine rebuild on a 1967 Mustang Hammer-On Ranch has a cast of visible players, the institutions, officials, corporations whose names appear in headlines. But the people who actually absorb the cost of what is happening here are almost never the ones being quoted. The second and third order impacts flow downward through systems that most commentators are not tracking at all.